Unlock the power of artificial intelligence with Lovable AI, your intuitive partner for everyday tasks. Let's dive right into the Lovable AI platform. As you can see, the interface is designed for simplicity. At its heart is the central prompt box. This is where all the magic begins. Think of it as your direct line to the AI. To interact, simply type your request into the prompt box. Whether you need creative content, help with a task, or just want to explore, tell Lovable AI what you're thinking. For instance, you could ask it to write a birthday message. And just like that, Lovable AI provides a thoughtful and ready-to response. Notice how it understands the intent of your request. But Lovable AI isn't just for messages. Its capabilities are vast. Need a quick dinner recipe? Or perhaps an idea for your next story? You can even ask it to explain a complicated topic in simple terms. Feel like refining the response? Many of Lovable AI's outputs can be further tailored. You might see options to regenerate the answer or ask for specific adjustments, ensuring the result is exactly what you need. Lovable AI is here to empower you, from boosting your productivity in content creation to making learning more accessible and even helping you solve everyday problems. It integrates seamlessly into your life. Spend some time exploring the different sections and features. Experiment with various prompts. You'll quickly discover how Lovable AI can become an invaluable tool, making advanced technology feel approachable and incredibly useful. With Lovable AI, artificial intelligence is truly for everyone. Start your journey today.